Thank you, Bella Lion. So Jinxie, what offer did you toss my way? I don't remember an offer. This one wasn't Twitch's fault. This one was actually our internet just dying. This comes about often, but have you considered putting some EG5 well in collect with each other like Chinese toys, and if you collect more you get a real star and like red coins, so once we find out more now how to find what's good. It's actually hilarious you brought that up. Because just last stream, I basically told everyone about exactly that concept, you know, being introduced to the game. And they are in place of 100 coin stars, and you only need to find 3 out of 5. But they will be hidden, like, harder.
I gotta fix this over really quick. Oh yes, the thumbnail I gave you this morning.
Why only 3 out of 5? This feels brilliant. So we can hide them in places that are more bullshit. You have to think about the difficulty of finding them. Finding the first one's super easy. Finding the second one is going to be 25% harder than finding the first one. And finding the third one is going to be 25% harder than finding the first, not 25, 20% and then 25% harder, right? Finding the fourth one is going to be 33% harder. Finding the fifth one is going to be twice as hard. You know, the difficulty curve kind of goes like this. So we cap it here. So you have to find half of them. That was my idea. Caught a shiny Aura. You know, ever since you told me that you also caught a shit ton of shinies in the game, I stopped caring about shinies because okay, well, the shiny rate is so high now that you just find them without, like, you just find them now. My opinion, I don't care about shinies anymore now. I googled it, and apparently the chance to find a shiny is like 1 in 128. That's almost 40 times harder than it used to be. More than 40 times easier, actually. So I'm just not caring anymore about shinies. Not if Mara finds some, rather if Arion finds some. In which game? Legends Arceus. After you told me that you also had one, I googled the rates, and they said it's 1 in 28. 1 in 128 at a rate. So everyone will find the shiny. And you have like, what, 6 or 7? I thought the shiny we found was like a luck that we would have if we played for the game 10 times in a row and we would find maybe 1. Can you source that number? I googled it. Just put it in Google. Legends Arceus shiny catch rate. Or shiny find rate. If you need 3, but there are 5 people who will go looking for all 5. Yes. But have you looked at Sunshine Blue coins? No, struggle. That is not what I mean. You can have fun with your shiny all you want. I'm just saying, the rate is 40-fold increased. You will find 40 times as many shinies now as you used to. That just ruins shinies. I'm saying Game Freak is basically lying to you. They're taking the concept of shinies, which was really rare and would like make you happy, and now they're just making it so it's not rare anymore. No, you can't song request on OST. Please Google that number on stream. I don't wanna. First result. Okay, fine. I'll Google it. Legends Arceus shiny rate. It's already in my Google history. Last rates of 1 in 125 for shiny card. These are going to improve with Pokédex screenshots with chances as low as 1 in 28 for this was. Okay, 1 in 28 is the lowest and 1 in 158 is the base rate. During Messenger. Yeah, that's where we found ours. I mean, even without that, even if it was still 1 in 4096, you can find Pokemons probably 4 or 5 times as fast, which means effectively the rate is around 8-fold increased. At least outside of mass outbreaks. But we found ours in a mass outbreak. And once I found out that you basically are guaranteed to just find one, I was just, okay, this is sad. Shinies were always useless, but now they don't feel special anymore to me. I mean, you can't deny the fact that it's way easier to find one now. Because in my entire life before this, I found one shiny. And the Legends Arceus, we just find one again. And we're probably gonna find even more. Yeah, it's still cool to find them. Honestly, it's probably for the better that they made it like this. Well, and mass outbreaks, Jinxie.
We're gonna be at this forever at this rate. Trying to make the perfect eggy coin shape.
Oh, that looks good. Uh-huh.
Just smooth it out a bit.
Flag on.
I don't like how uneven
Hello, Tyler.
these rims are. I wish I could
The sides are uneven.
Huh?
Yeah, the sides are uneven. That's a bit ugly.
Yes, exactly.
Hmm.
That's why I'm saying it's gonna probably... What the fuck? Where is that little line coming from? I wish I could show you guys on stream what I'm doing. Unfortunately, that's not entirely possible. Unless we did a screen share on Discord right quick.
Oh.
Exactly.
It's my fault that you guys met. Sorry. I'm sorry, Struggle. I'm so glad that we're trolling better now instead of me. This feels much better. Okay, so we're gonna put the bird here and the worm is gonna be in there. Yeah, shiny hunting is probably one of the most miserable things you can do in your life, I imagine. I never did it, luckily. Dude, the craziest thing to me in Pokemon is that they added EV training. What went through their mind adding that? Like, holy shit. How do you just add that to the game and think, yeah, this is gonna be fun? EV training in Gen 6 is hella fun. How does it work? What is super training? You're the sandbag? Huh. I mean, I admit that sounds better than killing fucking random encounters and counting.
That's looking a little better.
See? Uh-huh. I am not sure how what you're doing works.
Alright, that's more or less looking like a Yoshi coin.
Mm-hmm. Ah shit, do we need both sides on this one?
Huh?
Do we need both sides on this one? Because it's not symmetric.
I mean, you could probably take half of the frames and just flip them. If that works.
Yeah, but then... Maybe it should just spin twice as fast as the normal coins then.
Maybe.
That might be the only way to make this work. Actually, no. I can just implement the custom geocommons for these as well.
Alright, just pick the side that you like the most. I'll just...
No, like I said, both sides.
Both sides?
Yeah, it has to be both sides.
Alright. Unless there's a way I can mirror it. Hang on. I need to...
So I guess the EV training in Gen 6 was just like way faster. That still leaves out the question, what did they think the first 5 generations? Actually, the first generation is kind of fun. It's kind of like alright, because the Pokemon just grows, right? So the Pokemon gets stronger when you like catch it early, pretty much. I don't mind that nearly as much. But in the other gens, it's just like, God, why? I mean, I don't want to click on all these random links. I want to get work done. It's a Family Guy clip though. Drive a hard bargain. So we probably just have his head stick out. So it'll be a pretty small hitbox. Which interaction does the box use? The other one you can probably grabbable. Okay, got it. I know how this will look. Never mind. This is gonna be great. Dude, I can't wait to be done with the audio file so I can actually get back to my work that I'm being paid for instead of the stupid fucking audio file. But the audio file is so fun.
Okay, I have made it symmetrical. I just need
What? How have you made it symmetrical?
I cut it in half and mirrored it. Huh, you see?
What?
And now the other side's the same.
Oh, of course the front and the back are the same.
Yes.
But for it to, you know, when it spins, and you
Yeah.
only use half a rotation, and you repeat that one, it would need to be symmetrical this way.
Oh, you want the...
No, I don't want that, but that's
Oh.
what it would have to be. But I think it looks better turned on the side.
Yes.
Of course the front and, I assume the front and the back are the same.
Yeah. I'm not sure what else I can do about that.
Nothing. You shouldn't do anything about it.
Nothing. I can do absolutely nothing.
It's literally not possible for you to do anything about it.
No.
Shit, I didn't export. Who's messaging us again?
I have no idea.
Is it the post?
It's weather.
Weather. Did we have this stupid thing where our doorbell is on her phone? Which is completely awful. Cause now I don't have a doorbell when she's gone. So every time the delivery comes and she's at work, they just go back home.
They kind of just didn't leave our package in the lockers like they usually do.
Yeah, that worm's a bit big. Probably want it to be a bit smaller. This one reminds me of Delta from the Discord. I mean, sometimes you said whenever Pokemon spawn. Ivies? Weren't they called DVs? This is about the size I want for the worm. And then you can just grab it. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's add an animation to the worm. In case the game crashed. Fucking really. Oh yeah, Jinxie, my internet cut out when you said that, but what was the offer you had for me? Did you send it to me on Discord or something? Nope. Almost terrifying. So I want him to have like a taunting animation here. I think that could work pretty well. That's not what I wanted. I want them to be 120 apart, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so 30 per thing. $60 to $300 maybe?
Hello, Zeth.
Hey Zeth. Is this what I want? Something about this is off. What did I do wrong? Is this it? No, it's a very small worm. He's just there to like taunt you. He's kind of an asshole. He says, nah, 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 nah. And then I want him to duck. So he taunts the bird like this, and then when the bird perks, he does that. And then he comes back out to taunt him some more.
Maybe he should stick his tongue out at the bird.
That was the first idea, but like I don't want to program that.
How sad. Hello, Wingtech Man. Bye, Struggle. We'll see you again soon.
Bye, Struggle. And again, when I look at my ranking for someone, check this under creation with the 64 but playing it, which I may recommend. You can use Parallel Launcher or Project 64, it doesn't really matter. The Romic community, they will be... There are some people that will be really annoying about asking you to use Project 64, and there will be some people really annoying about asking you to use Parallel Launcher. Depends on which Discord you're in. You kind of have to like pick your poison, which one of the two are gonna piss you off. You can't put stretch into animation. You have to put that into the behavior code. But yeah, it should stretch from here to here. I agree. It's better for testing. Parallel Launcher takes like 7 seconds to boot up. Project 64 takes 6 seconds to boot up. So I guess Project 64. See ya, subnet.
See ya.
I don't like how close these are. I think that works as an animation. Does this, and then he goes away.
Adorable.
He comes back out, he laughs. And he keeps doing this. It doesn't really matter how accurate animation is. If you want to see actual hardware results, you should just boot up the N64, because all the emulators are trash for that. Even the ones that claim they're super accurate are still bad. There's some emulators claiming to be psych inaccurate, but they really aren't. Emulators is just gonna trick you into thinking that what you're doing is fine, when it really isn't. Same with plugins that claim to be accurate. Wouldn't trust them. Ice showers are pretty nice. Getting used to it is fine. You might just feel like it's not cold enough anymore because it's starting to get warmer.
I can't do ice showers.
She's too obsessed with it not feeling awful.
I don't like to feel awful when I have a shower.
Woman moment.
What do you mean, woman moment? I like being warm in a nice hot shower. Relaxes your muscles.
The audio files, when I'm talking about audio files, it's not music, it's the actual code.
He's just like, nah.
Yeah, it's gonna trick the bird, and then when Mario grabs it, he's gonna just pull it out and feed it to the bird. Are the Hex 64 subscription a good start? No, you should start looking at decomp tutorials. I think it should straighten up before going down. Doesn't it do that? I meant to do that. Oh, right here. I didn't want to keep him too late. Yeah, that's better. And it should stretch when it does that. So we do this, and this should make it so that he squashes and stretches properly. And then we also need to make sure that the animation frame is small enough. This should be fine. I'll definitely put an OST out, Clayman. Check hydration.
Hydration.
I was paying twice because we both have to check our hydration.
I see.
That looks pretty good.
Alright, that's pretty nice.
You should probably squash down a bit more.
Do you still want this Yoshi coin? This eggy coin?
Of course.
Alright. Shall I render out a turntable for it?
Yes.
Alright. I can do that for you.
Nice. It doesn't go down fast enough. It will look faster now because I changed the way it scales.
I sky left.
Investing in that shot I fill with ice water. Isn't the water gonna get warm? That looked very weird. Oh. This is what I wanted. And I forgot this part. Okay, now for real. Still weird. Very weird.
No idea
Yo,
if
thank
you
you for the
consider this
bits.
a new but the only true 100% accurate emulator.
It's an emulator in metalness. Transistor level NES emulation. Alright. That is pretty sick. Looks like he got splat. Yeah, it's not what I intended it to look like. Oh, wait. This needs a limit of like... I probably like 142. Donation time from Beta? Oh no, it's this one.
What is it?
Bockwurst Beyond Blasmusik.
Ah. Well, I guess that's not on my playlist.
Selton as a meme review.
Oop.
It does sound like that. Ouch.
Oh god, no!
In a hole.
There we go.
You can set exact voltage fluctuations. Oh my god. How's this? The turn's a bit weird, but it's easily fixed.
I think I gotta fix the Iggy.
It's a bit of a weird way to do it, but it's fine. You request this? Better. Einzweiler in the house. I hate this song. Yes, this is a German song. It's terrible.
This thing is 48 million polygons.
That is fine. We can have all 48 millions of those.
Yes. Now see, fresh don't crash on me.
So you gotta kinda do this like Bowser. How did I do that with Bowser? Let me check. I deleted that code.
Okay, ZBrush is loading.
Hmm?
Apparently this thing can process 48 million polygons.
Oh,
It'll be fine in a few minutes.
okay. Good.
We just want to get rid of this line where it's mirrored.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean that might just disappear in post-processing.
True.
That's what I said, but I don't know if it's copyrighted. The song is 99 Red Balloons. That might get us in trouble. Show up. There we go. Wait, what?
Ow. Bathroom time.
Have fun.
I will.
Let's see, now if I grab the smug worm, it should just... Oh wait. That's not what I want. Man, I'm not feeling good today. So we have an action 1, and when this action 1 activates, we just have him switch to the second animation. And the second animation will be being pulled on. Pull on. It will just be this with a bit of going back and forth. Needs to be faster. Like that. Let's see. And while this is going on, you should be intangible. I'm gonna go so I can focus on my work. Bye bye. Bye better. Let's see. Frame 175. This is what we want. Open source the Windows Movie Maker from '98. Let's go. Finally we can PC port that one. We can port it to Switch. Why is it still crashing? BE8. It's crashing in interpolate node? No. Geo process node and siblings. BE8. It showed me at the very beginning. RA is FE05. FE05.
Alright, I am back.
No, it's FE50. Process held object. Pressing how to objects is not working.
Bye bye, Becca. We'll see you next time. No, Mars, I'm not leaving for work. I'm actually off today, for once.
So the issue is probably that we're going in circles. Not if I know that not children. What did I do, Skyloft? I mean, this is the same crash as in Peach's Fury that happens when you get grabbed while you grab something. I don't really see what I did differently though. I bet if I disabled this, it would just work. To ground monetarist? No. What the fuck? Is it this one? This might just make grabbed objects invisible. Oh yeah, Simpleflips himself sent me this thing. I got this for free. I just had to model it. That's one nasty bug. Wait, what? That was a bye-bye sound line? It's kinda cool. Grab Babel. There. This is what we need. Shinduek. Yeah, I just put the bye-bye voice line in because it sounds very cool. I'm pretty sure that's why I did it. So I guess this makes held objects invisible. I don't understand why it just crashes though. I really feel like it shouldn't. And it should walk Mario here instead of the worm. It should walk Mario around the worm. Because the worm should stay in its spot. I don't know, Clayman. I have never seen that. That is weird as fuck. Wouldn't be into shit. It's disgusting. So teleports the object in front of Mario. Act holding Bowser, that's funny.
is a very nice eggy coin. Does it need to be black and white?
Yes.
Okay.
Heh. It doesn't know this. That's better. Comparison between pointer and integer, duplicated branches. What? I actually have this here. Right, I'm completely fine with the comparison between a pointer and integer, because that's what it should be. Oh wait, this one's not even declared here. We definitely need to include memory.h. That's so weird that these files are not included by default. It says this condition has identical branches. At line 322. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Mario should say haha from the end of a triple jump and so he pulls up the worm as a range of funny catching up the... Yeah. That's a good one. No, we're not getting compile errors. I have my compiler warning set up in a way that whenever a code isn't optimal, it warns me. Well, not whenever, but like... That's essentially what it is. When something is not optimal, it warns. This is very weird. And it shouldn't end with the worm being moved. It should end with... the worm just dying. This is gonna be quite a bit of work. How's the coin looking? Oh god. That's a long process. The coin looks pretty good though.
It's a very high quality render.
Yeah.
So you'll have to do all the scaling.
Yeah. The animation looked very buggy.
The worm animation or?
The worm one.
Ah. Oh, good lord. Oh, I guess you're going to be picking the best frames. Yo, Leela.
Hello. Why, what's wrong with the rhymes?
Oh, there's nothing wrong with them. You just have to pick out a lot of them.
How many did you render? What? How is that? 77, 78? Okay.
80.
I see. Leela. Well, they give me a delivery limited to 6 ROM. Technically you can put 252 on there, but I want to be limiting myself to 64 megabyte because I think that's only fair.
I'm gonna have to send you a MediaFire link like I did last time for the coins.
Yeah. That makes sense.
But I can show you just what the first render, just so check and see how nice it is.
Okay.
HD coin.
Right.
Is Nintendo gonna hire me yet?
Give me a second.
A pen drive? And I guess I could put them on a USB stick. If you have one. A spare one lying around.
Works too. Doesn't matter to me.
Alright.
I do not have a network drive. I don't even know what that is.
I sent you the coin.
Mm-hmm.
Nintendo, you can hire me now.
Let's check it. That does look pretty good. I wonder how this will look at actual, like, once I scale it down. I guess I will do it on looks in motion.
Mm.
Come on, Giga League showed us it's possible they want to hire Case. Wait, what? Why does it throw the worm so far? Why does it repeat the animation? This is awful. Oh wait, this is supposed to be equals equals.
Okay, it's finally done. Do you have
Okay.
a USB drive I can borrow right quick?
Oh, you should have one.
Or just in a little package baggie. Perfect.
Plug in a USB to your router. Boom, instant network drive. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that worked. That's kinda sick. We should set that up. I like that idea. Why do you have to go to your parents today?
I don't think they gave us a time.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess we can just go after stream because we have to. I'm cooking tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Making some schnitzel. Okay. All right. You have a grand total of what the fuck? I thought there were more than that. Oh. There's 300 frames in this animation.
Yeah, just like last time. I'm thinking we're picking out 32 animation frames. Yeah, that sounds very useful. Is there a drive on our router to do that with?
Oh, what?
A USB plugger?
I have no idea.
Huh. I wanna check it. I'm gonna check if it's possible, because if that is, that's sick.
It'd save us a lot of energy.
Yeah, there's 2 USB plugs.
Huh.
How do we set it up?
No, this is a specific thing, Sonic the Hedgehog.
Yeah, it's for the regional coins.
Yes, I have.
You can share folders. I don't wanna, Lila. I'd rather use the network drive.
Okay, here we go. 300 frames to choose from.
Okay, so the egg picking up Bowser animation plays twice. Oh, I think I know why.
There you go.
Alright, I'll check it in a second.
Nintendo can hire me now.
Go like with that. I think this animation here repeats its frames. I think I think this might work. Let me just test this real quick and then I'll test your coins. Yeah, the coins are staying the way they are. There are a lot of incentive for the gig. Specifications they had the team track down and stalk people, hacked their stuff and they just had them. Oh, really? They haven't stalked me yet.
Yep.
I knew it. This fixed it. Nice.
Mario just grabs him until he comes out.
Yeah, he's just gonna grab him like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're gonna press B. And it's gonna pull him out and he's gonna fly up and into the bird's mouth.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that.
He changed voice lines? He did. And I don't know why. I don't remember changing the voice line. That is extremely weird and concerning. Oh well. Not something I want to worry about right now. Maybe it depends on speed? Probably. Let me just check if there's anything important. Ooh, new Patriots. Nothing important here, okay. Egg coins. I think egg coins are great. They are like... I mean, this is what they were in Mario World already, kinda. And we're making Mario World 2 Yoshi's Island 64. It's perfect. Super Mario 64 Maker? I already made that. Nintendo stalked this man and hired Zena.
Nintendo, hire this man. Nintendo, hire this man. Are you gonna use Unreal Engine in every way you can?
I might actually make a game in Unreal 5.
If only I had the channel points to song request Nintendo hire this man. How sad that I used my channel points earlier to fly me to the moon.
I wonder if this is gonna work. It might look really fast. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So we want to pick 32 frames and we have 300 of them. So every 9.375th frame.
9.375th frame?
Yes.
So, what?
Let me just plot this graph.
He knows what he's doing. He has it.
Can we get like a function table here? Can I like extend this downwards? Okay, these are the frames we want. And we have to subtract one from each of them. We don't have to do this, okay. So frames 1 until 10. Frame 20. Frame 29. Can you believe I'm deleting all of Zena's hard work? Right here in front of her eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Frame 39. Frame 48. Frame 57.
Sorry,
Song
Lula.
quest?
I have everything I do for K's, I have it saved in a K's help folder.
Ooh, that's a banger.
What have we got?
It's in chat.
Oh, here we go. Is it? Yes! Thank you, Seth. Thank you.
And all the assets clash. Hire this man. Funny, you have to see if your router supports Windows file sharing, Xambanet settings. Oh, I don't even know how to access those. That's unlucky. Let's see, next we need 95. Banger. Alright, these would be the frames so far. That's already pretty good, I think. Wait, is this one full rotation? Or is it two rotations?
It's... Let me check the end.
Any way you can.
I think it's one full rotation, but it could be two.
That looks like one.
Yeah, it's one rotation.
Yeah, what you mean?
It's one full rotation.
You can count to two, right?
Yes.
Good.
It's just... It's a little off-putting. It does kind of look like two.
He's a fucking genius. Man, I almost feel bad for Kryzen for like getting this shit. He's just a dude that wants to put shit into Unreal and then he gets memed like this.
Kryzen?
Yeah.
I don't know who he is.
That's the guy that puts Mario in Unreal.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah. He's the OG PC porter.
Ah. And now we have all the PC port memes.
How are the audio optimizations going? Really well.
I don't know, my first initial thought with the PC port was you can already play Mario 64 on PC port. It's called Project 64.
Yeah. Shit, my table got fucked. What is this? Oh my god, I can't select these fucking frames.
All 300 of them.
Did I just delete? Oh, no, it. So this is exactly half a rotation so far, and so far the frames are good. What did you find? I found all kinds of things. I already shaved off 900 microseconds. So it's almost a full millisecond already, which is really good. Audio file right now is around 8300 bytes, and if you get it below 4 kilobyte, like 4000, then you can load everything into one iCache load. And if I separate the update game sounds and the general playback functions and the sequence playback function, which are 3 separate components, into their own parts, into their own files, so that they all share the same like block of RAM, I can probably fit the whole sequence processing in the single iCache load, which would make this super fast. Yes, that is huge from room. $167, 170, wait, 170? Okay. Next is 179. And after that is 189. Can you select the first file, then hold shift and click the last file? You want to select and press delete. Oh, really? That could help. Oh yeah, that is way faster. Okay, 198. Next is 207. Next is 216. God, this is stressful. 226. 235.375. So, huh? What is going on? My computer froze. Okay, we're safe. 235 to 245. 246 to 253. 254 to, wait, 254 is what we want. 255 to 263. And then 264 we want to keep. 265 to 272. 274 to 281. 283 to 291. And then the last one is, I guess, 300. Is this 32 frames? It's 35 frames? I messed up somewhere. There must be 3 frames, I got too many. These two are definitely wrong. One of them is false, it's 77, okay. Let's see. 141, 143, 132, 140, 142 and 140. That can't be right. I'm supposed to have 142. 151, 160, 170, 179, 189, 198, 207, 216, 226, 235, 245, 259, 26. It's probably the last one that's wrong then. Because the last one and the first one are basically the same thing. So these are our 32 egg frames.
Alright, pretty nice. We got eggies now.
Now the problem is that they were not evenly spaced apart, Leela. Right, so the idea is that the animation would be like... I hope you can see it on stream. This will be the animation. And I guess we have to update the animation at 30 FPS. You can see half of it. Great. Hydration. We out of water. Can you get new one?
You need water?
Okay, I will get it.
I get water. You need water? I'll go get water.
You don't do anything in the bottom right part? Yeah, I just saw that half the egg is covered on stream. Alright. We can import them right now, but it's gonna be suffering. When I place the cam in the top right, I don't know. I forgot why. Surely I had a reason. Surely. Alright, now I have to figure out how to batch transform again. Wait, I have to record an action. Adobe CC subscription? What is Adobe CC? I'm definitely not rich. Probably one of the cheapest people you'll ever meet.
You need hydration?
Yes.
I have hydration. Here you go.
Okay.
Let's
Thank you.
do it.
We probably want this.
I need the PC port. Do you have the PC port? Unfortunately, I do not have the PC port, Mila. I just have good old Project 64.
Alright. So how did this work again? Automate, Stapelverarbeitung. Egg coins, okay. It's turning all our coins into eggs. Do you need to record actions first? Nope, it just magically works. Shit, I think the action is not perfect. Yeah, the action is cutting off a bit at the right rim. It's, yeah. It looks mostly good, but like, it's cutting off a bit here. You see that?
This is just cut the
Wait,
edge.
there's no way I can't undo this. No way, right? Can I not undo it?
Control Z.
Great. I need to re-extract them. In case I told you what record not backing up. Shut up.
I mean, you have all 300 frames backed up.
Yeah. Fine. You know what? Just getting the frames out shouldn't take that long.
Do you remember all the numbers?
I can just see them.
There you go.
Probably should have done it like this in the first place. God damn it. This is obviously way quicker than deleting it. I don't know why I ever deleted that. That was fucking stupid. It helps having them here in the actual folder though. Like it's not we have to redo from scratch. You know what we also have to think about? We have to think about the colors and we have to think about what we're actually gonna do with these. Like where they're actually gonna be. Alright, this should be all.
Nice.
Yeah, I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about, Leela, for instance. Why does one of them have a black background? What? Windows File Explorer moment? Yes, Windows File Explorer moment. Dog rotation. Thank you, hardcore gamer. 1920. So we cut 720 pixels off of this side. Stats of 1200. So we want to go to 480. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Let me get the opposite frame and overlay it here.
Why didn't I render in fewer FPS? I'm not entirely sure how to do it in Marmoset, because if I change the frames to 32, it renders just 32 frames of the entire turntable.
If we do this, this is 430 frames. That's 530 frames. 720 off the left, 430 off the right. Okay. Can I trash this action? I can.
Render it at 120 FPS with RTX and render 97. Man.
720 here, 530 off the other side. So we want to go to like 690. We want to apply this thing here. A bit of brightness. We want to cut the top. This top's not going to change, and we're going to cut the bottom. And then we want to rescale to 64 by 64. And then we want to save. And that's our action.
Working up the K's magic.
Automate the egg coins. Let's go. It's doing its thing. You can see it's doing the folder. Let's see if this is better now.
It was cutting off a bit of the frames last time, wasn't it?
Exactly, that's the issue. So far, so good. Can't tell if this one's cut off or not. Yeah, that's shit. That's too far. That didn't work.
Unlucky.
But it should be very easy to retry.
How did I make the coin? So I took the vector image of the Yoshi egg, I made it into an alpha and imported it into ZBrush. I had a little circle in ZBrush that I just molded into the shape of the egg, cut it in half I cut both sides to have a flat plane view, and then I put in the alpha of the little Yoshi egg pattern, brought it into Marmoset renderer and rendered it out. I wish I could show you guys on stream. I don't know, maybe I can record my process and put it in a case clips.
If you wanna.
I can do that.
Okay, this time please do it right. Please. Let's see it. Turn on the frame that cuts off. Last time you used this guideline, I tried. But I tried to cut it and I calculated the pixels and then I did that. It's just that my calculation was off. This is the frame that cut off. See, now it's perfect. Don't breathe fire at propane tanks. What's this? Oh. Is that gonna have an interaction? Oh. I thought it was in-game. That's lame. That would have been fun to be in-game. Doing is also perfect. Who? Oh, I got it right. Your mom. That's nice of you. Get the sounds off? I did. Alright, well, putting these in game is gonna be pretty tricky. We'll have to make a new coin array for this. I'm actually not even sure if it's worth it to make a coin array for this. Maybe these should be normal objects. I think they should be normal objects. They just happen to have 32 frames. I think this is something we want to do. Actually, I can do it right now. I should try to do it right now. It's not that much effort. You don't even know what to do. You have no idea what you're supposed to do. But it sounds easy. Uh-huh. It is easy, but it's a lot of work. Probably want to copy over what I did in Through the Ages, maybe? Actually, I don't think that would even work, because I think I use less frames. Do I have an old version of my coins, maybe? Yeah, this is 16 frames. No, this is just 8 frames. God damn it.
8 frames from that. Man.
Well, the normal coins are 4 frames.
I'm gonna have something in the help folder. No, they're just, it's also just 300 frames of coins.
No, yeah, you can't help here. This is misery. Oh, the misery. Isn't there a sad cat version of that song? That's good. I like that.
The sad cat version of the intro to Arcane.
I think so. It only replaced yellow 1 with egg. Disgusting. I hate the replacement editor in this tool here because I'm not used to it, I think. I rated you on Twitter, sorry. Yep, this is how it's gonna be.
My coins.
Wait, what? Oh right, these 32 ones are less further spaced apart, so we can't actually use this. That is suffering. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, this is a bit miserable to do. Do you think I could program an Internet Explorer? I don't know how to do that, but I'm pretty sure I could learn how to do it. That sounds like something Strut would make. They like to do cool technical toys just for the sake of making cool technical toys. When you make an MP3 player, an MP3 player would be really useful because then you could get audio playback and, you know, compress the audio without breaking the entire ROM size. That'd be cool. Oh, fuck, these are not even named IA8 yet. Oh no, how did I do that again? How did I change all file names last time? You guys remember when we did that on stream? No, we didn't do it with a Python script. I remember we didn't. I remember we tried and we ended up not doing it like that. No, I did. I don't remember, no. Use bulk rename utility. I swear we tried almost everything and most things didn't work. This is not gonna compile. Yep. Is it ink.h or just .h? G_header.h. It is now officially here. Okay. How do the other geoheaders look like? Okay, that's what I thought. Leila, remember when you said this wasn't gonna be a lot of work? Never mind that, you didn't say it. I see. Have you made a script for it before? There's no script for this. Obviously, if I did a script to do exactly what I wanted to do, this would not be a lot of work. But that's kind of a silly thing to say, don't you think? Let's see. What else is missing? The texture's not being included. Okay, we need to rename the textures now.
Man.
Oh fuck, this is
Cute
X
birds and stuff, but we spent all stream making coins.
Yep. The new flames folder. Right, it could be in there. If there's a script, it will be in here. Nothing in here. Nope. There? What do you mean there? You're saying there as if you saw the script. Go up. Hey? There's nothing in here. Just other games, Clayman. Where do you put it then? I don't know. Would it be in my Majak folder? script. Nope. What have we request 6 folder? Nope. You said it's a Python, right? Windows Explorer has had enough. It's not even looking for the script. Why is it not storing my settings? Windows Explorer is shit. That is very true. Still not being converted. Probably because this is not a build directory, right? Well, I do wish we had the script. Hello, Sayo. It's not a good evening. Don't say that.
Hi, Sayo.
How can this possibly be a good evening when I do this?
You asked for new coins.
It's all your fault.
It's not my fault if you asked for it.
Then just evening. Thanks. Fuck. Even Debugging name is built into Windows, it doesn't work. No such file directory. Ah, shit. Instead of this, it needs to say eggcoin. What? Just making sure I don't overwrite any wrong stuff. It still can't find it. Oh wait, it does find the first one. Okay, okay, okay. We're in there. Dude, this is such a shitty manual labor, it's actually insane that any human on the planet is being forced to do this. I hope one day we can enslave robots and have them do this shit. Dude, if I miss a single one, I have to redo so many things. You guys know how scary this is. We're truly grinding. This feels like playing an MMO. Okay, so a sanity dual script is gonna be still needed. Due date already manually renamed. Don't fucking tell me I missed one. No wait, there's only 30 frames, okay. Okay, well. The file reference to okay. Okay. We're almost there. Can we just remove these? I'm sure there's an easier way, and in VS Code I would know how to do it, but it needs to be here. This is what we do for now. Now we need to make the other X. You can see how it does this now. Hello BG suit. The hell am I doing? Cock and ball torture. I don't always complain about GCC. Sometimes me and GCC are best buddies. Like yesterday, it automatically built a switch jump table. In a really smart way too. You know what, you could probably just do a define for this and then you would only have to do this once instead of twice, but now it's too late, now I'm not gonna bother anymore. I am the fastest typer in the world. I'm not actually, I'm very slow. Hello Edwin. Case biceps over case brains? I hope not. We only need 31. This shouldn't be an egg 32. It built. We don't need this. I think Mario's Cabex, whatever. We'll just do this. Or is this already used? It's the bomb sprite. Okay. Egg, coin, geo. It's here. Yes, Leela. These are group 0, so they're gonna be loaded on all the levels. Let's put the Yoshi coin. See if it works. Actually, we even have a location where we want it to be at. Right here. I'll take this behavior here. Behavior, Yoshi coin. Can you believe it? The behavior finally appeared. We're finally at the last steps. I mean, that actually ended up only taking around half an hour. It's not as bad as I anticipated. Yes, it should make a Yoshi sound. So we have the problem that maybe people will want to collect all 5 of them instead of just being like, oh, I got 3, that's all I need. And they're gonna be a bitch to find. So, it's the wrong model ID. Let's try again. What do they look like? Hopefully they look good. Hello, Salami. It has been a long time. What are those cursed emotes, Salami? Shinte. Shimtex. When you collect it, it will show a text hashtag out of 3. So we don't even acknowledge that there's more than 3. Like you can find more than 3, but we don't really acknowledge it. That shouldn't be too hard to fix. Posture check, fine. So this is because this is 2 triangles, it's 1 triangle instead of a quad. That's easy to fix. It really should just be 2 triangles instead of a quad instead of 1 triangle.
Alright, I'm back. I am back. My stomach was just a little upsetty.
Yeah. Upsetty stomach.
Yep. My tum-tum was upsetty spaghetti. Did it taste good something? No, definitely not.
Definitely not. Okay. I see how it is.
Uh-huh. Do we have a green coin?
And I did make it green for testing.
Ah, that's pretty neat.
That should work, right? Let's look at it again. Yes, spot is gone. Well, it's not about having green coins, it's about having the Yoshi X symbols. You gotta find 3 out of 5 in every level and that gives you a star instead of 100 coins. Because 100 coins kinda suck. Well, fuck.
Almost there. It's just kind of cut in half.
Yeah, but I don't really see why. Oh, I know why. Use a Nightbot. Actually, Nightbot is reasonable. Okay. Zena?
Alright, that's a lot better.
So you think this is a good one?
Mm-hmm. Thick Yoshi coin.
Too many reflections? Well, what can I do about it? It does look very, very reflective. That's the reason I made these coins here half speed, because they would otherwise, with the reflection, just look too reflective.
It might just be the lighting on my end.
Let me see how it looks in your turntable. Can you show me if rotation at full speed?
Yes.
Okay, there's randomness to the light. I don't like that.
There's randomness?
Yeah. You see how there's just random points being spit at it?
That's probably the
What does the light look like?
That's the
There was
light.
an image to the light.
Oh, you're talking about the skybox here.
Yeah, that's why it looks so weird. I don't want to use that skybox.
Okay, we can choose a different preset then.
Yeah. No, pick something where it's not weird shit on it. No, just keep looking. We need something without all the weird shit on it.
And we probably want.
So these are like images that it's reflecting off of. I see.
Yeah. So we probably want something.
You just want something with a simple horizon. That is better.
Like this?
Let's see that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. That is better, yeah.
And I can probably... Now, if only this was on stream.
Yeah, it'd be nice if this was on stream, but this is what we have to deal with.
Discord call? I just mute my... Actually,
No.
my mic is muted.
Keep
Okay.
going.
Okay, fine.
I just want to get stuff done.
Yes, I'm aware. So we could probably make this a little bit brighter.
And the coin itself, yeah. That's what I did in Photoshop and Post.
Okay. Just wish the timeline was down there. So that's not as dark. That's a little better.
Yeah, that's nice. But it still is like very reflective, right?
Yeah, so...
Which I guess we want the high contrast. Or actually no, we don't want the high contrast, we want the high brightness.
Like this?
That's a bit too bright. That's good. I like that.
Right.
Yeah, that.
Alright.
Let's see it in motion.
That better?
Yeah, it's still, most of the time it's too dark, I think.
Why
Maybe
not?
I should use a different combiner.
Hang on. Let's...
Well, no, wait. If you look at this, the way I have it right now, the highlights are like still the green color, right? They're not actually whitish.
Yeah.
Maybe the highlights should be whitish. So I need to use a different combiner. So like, instead of multiplying a bright green on it, I would like have the green as the base color and the light would be added to it.
Okay. So do you want me to just render out these frames again?
Let me think about it for 1 second. We have to experiment with this a little bit. And then I tell you how to render this.
Okay.
Why are you saying be dark? Why are you guys complaining about Fast64? We just have to use a new combiner. So what we have right now is this multiplied by primitive color, right? This is what we have. And then I set the brightness a bit lower. It's kind of like this. But this is not very good. Because it just ends up not looking good. So what we could instead try, like primitive multiplied by this one is multiplied by environment. Wait, 1 minus primitive multiplied by text 0. If you had a really dark texture, this would work. You see this idea?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Okay, explain this to me. Pull me over.
So what this is, we just set the base color, right? And then the texture is gonna be added as lights. So this is kind of like a light map rather than an actual texture we use. So for example, if we use a texture like this part is just gonna be white and the rest is gonna be greenish.
Okay.
So we will want this to render really dark with really high contrast.
Okay, so you want a darker render of that.
Yeah, let me try to make this work in Photoshop first, right? And then you can see how this is supposed to look.
All right.
So if you have a really bright frame, you want to turn... Oh god, wait. I have to set the saturation to 0 first. Okay. Huh. Maybe less contrast. Okay, wait, this is difficult. Let me just try how this would go. But something like this might work. Where's the texture? Did you see where I started?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, I started enough. Okay, whatever. Here. Oh fuck, that looks disgusting.
That looks hideous.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
No. No, it did not.
Right. I swear this can work though. I swear this can work. If you do it just right, it will look amazing. Let's try this.
That also looks hideous.
Yes. But maybe with some more mixing. Shit. Well, I mean, this lets us interpolate between two colors.
Oh my goodness, it looks more like a egg gummy.
Yeah, I wonder if this is only the FAST64 render or if this is how it actually would look like.
You can test it right quick if you want to.
Right quick is, it's not that quick.
No. Not so right quick.
Yeah.
I love how I'm not even in screen.
He's just hiding behind me.
I'm just hiding behind you.
Why does it look the same when it's completely bright versus completely dark?
I can see a slight difference.
Yeah, but this is clearly not what it should look like. Unless the texture was really dark. Did I use a really dark version of the texture?
Possibly.
Oh, wait. I think I messed this up. Did I mess this up? Let's try it this way around. Actually, that should be the same thing. Right, with this we would just be able to define the color of the highlights, but like...
It's just purple now.
No, it's just purple, yeah. I guess adding a base color just doesn't work well. Oh, I have an idea.
You do?
I have a good idea.
What's your idea?
So we take texture 0, multiplied by the primitive color. So this will be the base color. And then we have a highlight color on top of it. So this will be 1 minus first color multiplied by texture 0.
F64 is very slow, isn't it? Oh, that's getting there.
And then we could define a highlight color here. Why doesn't that work? Oh, wait. This is what I wanted. That's not what I wanted.
Weed coin.
I need 1 minus texture 0 here. This is it. This is what I meant. I swear.
Oh, my eyes.
Don't worry about it.
Was this supposed to be a bird stream?
Yeah, too late for that. Trust me, dude. This is gonna be sick.
Source, dude, trust me.
Why is it so hideous?
Maybe change the environment color.
The environment color contains like the light color.
Ah.
Right, so with that we can control how bright the light would be.
It just looks like neon vomit.
Yeah, that's a bit of a problem. Well, now we're just adding environment and combined color. That's also not good, is it?
That's not bad.
Yeah, but this is just a basic thing again. That's just a thing, but with darker colors. It's like, that's not good, guys. No, this is not what I want. I guess no matter how you combine it, it's not gonna work this way, because there's always gonna be these transitionary areas to just get lost. We might just need a version of your coin without so much brightness fluctuation, right? Because like the darkest one is like really dark compared to the brightest one.
Yes.
So can I see this again?
Yes. Let's get rid of.
All right.
So.
Show me the slow rotation.
Oh.
Yeah, that's already a lot brighter, isn't it?
Yeah, this is just with the new light settings.
Yeah, I think that's
I
just
can
this.
also just fix the lighting here a little bit. I think I gave this an Omni light.
Omni light?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's just a more even lighting.
Oh, we just want the light coming from straight ahead, like straight on.
Okay.
Like exactly where the camera should be where the light is.
So, like this, I guess?
Let's see it. Oh yeah, that's way better.
Alright.
We should do that, yeah.
Let me just get this in position.
Alright.
I'm gonna just put these in the old ones. I can get rid of the old ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They can safely be removed. Alright, well I guess we got our lights now. All our coins. Well, Zena's gonna pre-render them. You guys are gonna see them next stream. I think I don't want to wait for them to be pre-rendered. Next stream, we're gonna put a few of these into course 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe we're gonna work in birds again. I can't promise it. I'm really busy with shit. I'll see you guys next stream. Bye bye.
Bye bye.